welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today we're building a clean, beginner-friendly task tracker in Google Sheets. Simple, minimal, and perfect if you want your tasks to feel organized, not overwhelming. Google Sheets is such a good place to begin. It's familiar, flexible, and calm when you keep the layout simple. And when you remove visual noise, even the simplest tools become powerful. Let's start with the basics. 5 columns: task, status, priority, due date, and notes. Just what you need, and nothing more. A clean structure you can rely on. This is your foundation. Nothing fancy, just something steady you can trust. Now add a few real tasks. Short names, simple wording. Clarity comes from keeping things small and readable. Take a moment to notice how it already feels. When things are named clearly, the mind relaxes. Next, let's make the tracker more helpful. We'll add a status dropdown. Not started, in progress, done. Just enough to see where everything stands. And a little visual clarity goes a long way. Conditional formatting helps you recognize finished tasks, active work, and things waiting for your attention. Visual clarity becomes mental clarity. And if you want just a bit more guidance, we can add a small priority tag. Low, medium, high, nothing complicated, just a calm way to understand what matters first. Due dates come next, and a quiet reminder if something is overdue. No pressure, just awareness. The notes column gives you space for context, a small sentence, a thought, a next step, enough to stay oriented without clutter. At this point, your system already works. Everything else is optional, just support. And if you want a simple way to stay focused, add a filter for today. One click, and all you see is what truly matters right now. And here it is, your clean, simple task tracker. Minimal, clear, useful, something you can actually use every day. A few soft best practices. Keep tasks short. Use simple statuses. Review daily, just 30 seconds. And update as you go. And this is your beginner-friendly task tracker in Google Sheets. If this helped, feel free to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd love to build next. Thank you for being here.